Santiago, go.
Dale, dale.
Hey, this is Rama from Gracious Landscape Designs, Earthly Landscapes. I'm at a project in the city of Irvine, a backyard that got recently installed, and I wanted to kind of show you the process of the install. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant landscapes, sustainable landscapes, California native plants, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. And I will also have a link to my business website on the description of the video in case you need landscape design services. So let me turn this camera around and show you the process. Okay, so Santiago is digging in very hard compacted soil and finding all kinds of interesting things like this piece of plastic, chunks of concrete pipe. Yep, whoever built this house probably had excess materials left over and just compacted it into the dirt. Okay, so the area inside the bedroom board delineates where the decomposed granite seating area is going to go, and in the center of it they're going to put a freestanding fire pit, and then this area that's been framed is going to have poured in place concrete tiles. It's going to go all the way over there, and the color is just going to be natural grade concrete because this existing pad of concrete is going to stay. So we're not going to necessarily be able to match the color exactly, but close enough. And then this is the color of the decomposed granite, which will be a nice kind of difference. Okay, so they've poured the concrete. Almost done. And the color, once it's dry, is kind of going to be similar to this. It won't be 100% exact match, but close enough. So in this side yard, we just put decomposed granite. No one's really going to come out here. And we didn't want to spend a lot of money in this somewhat unusable side yard. There will be some woolly pockets hanging on this wall. Alright, we've got 3 15-gallon pittosporum silver sheen. Where'd they go? It's gonna go into the backyard. These are gonna look dope. Okay, so the plants have been placed and are in the process of being installed. The soil here is like digging through a rock quarry. Okay, so this project is done and we're walking through the side yard. Only one of the side yards has a gate, the other one is way too narrow. So we've got some sundrops, some Catalina silver lace, autumn sage, pittosporum silver sheen, some lavender here. And so what we did was this concrete is poured in place with gravel around it. And then this area, there's going to be an eventual fire pit. You can see the gas line there. They bought a fire pit that was broken, so company's sending out another one. Some more lavender and sundrops. Some energy efficient LED lights. We kept the planting kind of minimal in terms of variety because it isn't a lot of space. This is a citrus. The homeowner's 4-year-old wanted to be able to grow stuff, so this is her vegetable box where she can grow whatever she wants. These were the homeowners that they had already, so she staged them here. And then over in here, I'm going to try and go around. We have woolly pockets on the wall that you can see from the window, because this is, where are we? This is the dining room window, that's the living room window, so you got to be able to see it. And there, we didn't really do much out here other than put DG, because no one's going to come back here.